Oh guys, wala ako dyan ha. I'm just doing a voiceover right now because nakita ko to sa isang FB page ng isang infantry battalion, and I am happy no that communities, cities, barangays ay tinataboy sila. It's quite alarming that they are nag-exist pa din sila up until today, and active kasi ako, nagko-cover ng mga rallies dito sa amin, and I can really feel and see that na mayroon pa rin talaga silang mga na-recruit na kabataan. And just to share you kung bakit medyo nag-stop ako creating contents regarding with this topic, because nung last na rally dito, ano yun I don't know, nakalimutan ko yung event or holiday ba yun, na I actually came across with this people, and nag-video lang naman ako just to cover that, hey, may nag-rally dito, ganito ganyan, but someone chased me and tried to grab my camera. As in, kukunin niya na, abutin niya na sana, habutin niya na yung selfie stick ng camera ko, yung Insta360 X5 ko, charot. Hablutin niya. Sabi na, huy, bawal mag-record dito, akin na yung camera mo, ho? Tapos nagmamadali akong tumakbo, because wala naman akong intention other. Gusto ko lang siya i-show sa isang FB page ko na ganito lang ganito. Wala naman akong anything na pinost na bad about them. Gusto ko lang isabi na, uy, may ganito, may rally dito, ganito, ganyan. Tapos, nakita ko yung logo ng t-shirt ng babae. It's from one of the party list na, may ingay and very active. And nakatakot kasi after noon, I've been getting messages doon sa isang TikTok account, isang FB page ko na nag-post ng nung time na yun, and I was getting threats, and kaya nga medyo naglaylo ako doon na TikTok account and FB page ko, because I'm also getting messages, and also medyo nag-stop ako creating contents about it. But right now, putang ina nyo, I'm no longer afraid, na I fully na talaga, G na ako, na kahit anything will happen to me, I'm very very ready. I-threat yun ako na i-threat, mga putang inyo, hindi ako titigil, because I decided na mag full 100% I'll give myself to my country. Kasi putang ina, I really want changes in our society and in our country. Yun lang, I'm gonna make contents about them. Ayan, bye-bye. Pahabol sana dumami pa yung mga ganitong rallies. We need na itaboy ang mga putang inang NPA, mga terorista na yan. We need to fight against them so that yung mga kapamilya natin, mga kabataan ay hindi na ma-recruit at maging corned beef. My gosh. And ako, for me kung ako may makita ako ng mga NPA sa community namin, putang ina, papabugbog ko talaga, sama ako sa pambubugbog, because they don't deserve any humanitarian acts. Kasi for me, they are just a bunch of langaw, ipis, mga putang mga NPA na yan. Wag nang wala nang, they don't deserve any mercy at all or any respect at all, because after all, kalaban sila ng bayan. Kaya mga putang ina nyo, mga NPA, mamatayin na kayong lahat. Fuck you, bye.